I specifically like counted down the seconds specifically for you, Demonte, to make sure that I was not late. Just saying, because I knew you would give me sass on a Friday. So I was like, hell no. Anyways, what's up, Demonte? How you doing? How are you? I hope you are amazing. There we go. Sorry, this headband just actually helps just keep me together. Hey, WMT. No, WM Trades. That's it. Nailed it. How you doing? You know what y'all get? And as I just said y'all.
Hi! Hi!
Good morning.
Good morning!
Hey, Trade Delicious. You're on nice and early today. What's up? How's the editing and the everything going? Solly? Where have you been? Where have you been? How was the Asia session today? I know I've asked this question a few times, but who the heck got this redonkulous drop that happened yesterday? It ran away without me. It is what it is, but it's fine. What am I doing? So this was, I don't want to say the pivot point because that sounds bad, but it was low-key's pivot point. It does sound bad if you say that though. Oh, so New York low is also a relative equal low. So that's a juicy level right there. Okay, then let's see. Enzo, what's up? How's it going? Refooted. Anyways. Is it not very expensive to trade Nasdaq in rands? No, not really.
Nice.
Especially because I'm using a prop, so it helps. I've been hibernating. Oh my gosh, 15 hours is also really long. What the heck, man? Hey, hello, what's up? I'm good. It's hot as heck today, but I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm okay. I'm okay. How's everyone else doing today? Happy Friday, by the way. I keep forgetting that I see it. I was waiting for that. I do indeed keep forgetting that it is indeed Friday, guys. Do we have anything special planned for just, I don't even know, the weekend? I keep forgetting. Yeah, anything special planned for the weekend or not really? Okay, so Asia low has been taken. Cool. That's now marked out. Now I can just close that and close that, and now we swoop in. Okay, let's do this. It's respecting the bob levels quite nicely, if I do say so myself. Let's see, where's 3 a.m. right here, guys. Let's mark this out. That I pressed the wrong thing. Cool. Okay. 3 a.m. going. I see we're going down. I've marked out everything I want to mark out now. I need to check the higher time frames. Let's see. Hold them shorts on gold. Nice. And thank you for that yesterday. That came as market surprise. Yesterday was insanity. Stop, I'm going to slow down now. Why? Oh. Listen here. Listen here. You two today are so sassy for a Friday. What on earth, man? Anyways, ever think that maybe people sub because I'm a nice person?
That's what she said.
It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I was gonna be sassy, and then I thought, you know what? It's not worth it. Don't be sassy. Don't be a sassy pants. Ooh. Oh, this would have been a nice.
Why are you doing
good one? Oh well,
why
it's fine.
Are you even thinking
Let's
this
now
way?
see. Went bob level to bob level. Let's wait for some confluences. Let's see. Is this going to be a turnaround point? We're going to continue down. Awesome. Source. Let's quickly. Sorry, my hair's annoying me. Let's check the higher time frames. We have got now 5 minutes. Okay. Retrace nicely the 50% of this range. Awesome. Tapped into that fair value gap. Why are we screaming? Hey Samuel, how are you? Wait for London open. How do it has opened? Nice try. You tried to scare me. It did not succeed. Haha. Sorry. Oh, good grief. Ooh. 558 level. Like I said, there's relative equal lows down there. Let's see what else we got further out. This key level 396. Okay, 396. Let's check the 15-minute. Awesome, awesome. I'm keeping an eye out for a bunch of these things now. We have got confirmation that we're going to continue bearish for now. For now, trend is friend until it's not, right? And we are still trending bearish for now. Oof, this level here. 401. Yeah, around there. I must really take a note of it. And now... Okay. Let's check the 1 hour. Yeah, around 401. Cool. Let's make 401 our main point of interest. 1 hour down. Awesome. Nice wick there. Okay. Let's check the 4 hour now. Yeah, okay, so there's the relative equals, and then this 401 again. Yeah, around about that 401 level. Okie dokie. I want to say I have my heading like they do in Pirates of the Caribbean. But anyways, moving on. Did I partake on yesterday's New York Open? I did not. I missed it. I didn't have a good setup. Hey Legion, why do I trade London? I trade both London and New York session, to be fair. What's up, Legion? Am I saying that correctly? Am I trading today? Yes. Y'all are being extra mean today, and I don't appreciate it. Okay, you two. You two are being extra bullies. It's gonna be a good day. You guys need to stop being so mean to me. Damn. Anyways, yeah, so I trade both London and New York session. Good grief. Sassy pants. All of you today. But it's okay. Is anyone in on a short? Like, I regret making coffee because it's so hot, but in the same breath, I am glad I made coffee. Because I need coffee. But again, it's so hot. It is so hot here today. Wait, but you're up? That's amazing! Whoop whoop, well done! What the heck, man? That is amazing. I know it's Friday and a lot of people don't actually trade on Fridays, but I am here. I will trade. Solly, did you manage to get a trade in at all during Asia session? Did you trade? What's the plan? I just got smoked in a couple MGC positions. Gold is ridiculous. I'm afraid to trade silver. Oh, hey, yo, Lance, how you doing, by the way? I've heard that gold and silver has been a little bit ridiculous recently. I did have a look. I saw gold drop, what, 7.3% yesterday or something stupid. I mean, what it did yesterday was actually just stupid during New York, NQ as well. But, I mean, yes, during New York, but I'm saying on the NQ. The full drop was 800. Let's confirm this. But yeah, it was like 820 points or something stupid if I go from the tippy top of this range here Oh no, I went to a higher up range, but seriously. Anyway, that one got me. Are you proud of yourself? I'm glad that you are proud of yourself. Anyways, good grief. Okay, let's wait for a tiny bit more confirmation. Let me just make sure it's not going to be ranging again. Let's actually get confirmation that we're going to be moving down. It's also rejecting off this bob level. This theoretically was an A+ setup, but I need confirmation with this volume because volume's dried up slightly. Let's see, what should be a win? Oh, I'm gonna feel like an absolute chop. I just don't want to be making silly decisions today. So let's wait for confirmation. Now we're sleeping. If Asia moves good, there's a good chance I'm sleeping. Actually, that's a good point. So from now on, if we see that Asian market moved like beautifully, this is why. Like I said, gotta wait for them confirmations. Damn. That would have hurt my feelings. Fox, what's up? How you doing? Wait until 25600, 25500. Oh, once it's dropped, yes. For confirmation that we're going to continue lower, right? Heck yeah. Samuel, that's the plan, right? It is the plan. Here we go, Solly. I don't know, can you see it? It's at 52597.92. Which is why... Yeah. Which is why. That's fine. Oh gosh, that was okay. That warrants this. Sorry, that was good. But yeah. Friday special. Wait, what's the Friday special? This? Like I said, gonna wait for some confirmation now. Make sure we're not just stuck in a little bit of a range. Let's get some movement. Like A+++ setups and then go from there. Hey Nathaniel, the micros to be specific. How are you doing, Nathaniel? I'm trying so hard to not get my hopes up because there is obviously possibility that I have losing trades there and then I won't pass it. So like I said, I am trying not to get my hopes up. But let's see. I mean, that would be pretty cool. I think you'll do a variation of yesterday's price action. No! No, don't say that because it just went sideways for a while. Then we got a good, like, price action later on. So maybe it just means patience pays, right? I'm just gonna have to sit on my hands for a little bit, wait for confirmation, and then essentially still wait for the A+ setup. Sorry, I like how it's been respecting
That's what she said.
the shelf. I know a lot of you hate it when I call it a shelf, but anyways, I love this. Would theoretically be an A+ setup, but meh. The volume to the buy side has now increased, so this might be a little bit of a retracement higher. Let's see where this goes. Nathaniel, I can't complain. I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Like I said, I'm really trying so hard today to keep my emotions in check. Like I'm trying really, really hard today to keep my emotions in check. That is the only goal for today. I must be a little bit like a zombie. Was it? Seriously? Why? I swear it also hates TradingView. I feel like it takes more effort to run TradingView than it did Project X. That's fun. That's frustrating. Anyways. 5 points with 4 contracts. 10 seconds and you're a funded trader. No, but see, I'm doing Q and then it would be a little bit more, right? Release those emotions! Demonte, you're such a bad influence. Certificate in the mail. Listen. When that happens, I think if it happens today, I think we can organize like a Discord party for this weekend where we all just hop on and play putt-putt. I've been dying to do that with you guys. I think it'll be such a funny situation. Like I said, I'm just trying very, very hard to not let the emotions take over right now. Be very mechanical with the trades. When there's an A+ setup, take it. If it's not an A+ setup, don't take it. Yesterday's price action had some momentum, so it's cooling off. Yeah, I mean, it makes sense, but like, if it could give me something, that would be amazing. Solly's making me very tempted to just do that 4 contracts for 5 points on NQ and just be like, done. Bad influence, bad influence. The point is to keep the whatchamacallit, what is it? Discipline. That's it. Stay disciplined. Hey, you're from India? What's up? I'm from South Africa. Hope you're doing amazing. One, 2. What's this look like on the 5-minute? Oh no, that tapped into that fair value gap on the 5-minute. Retest there. Yeah, still looking for shorts. Shoot, what was that level I kept going on and on and on about? It's 401, hey. That 401 level. Guys, I'm about to do it. I'm about to put a Maya level. This doesn't happen often, so they might not be very accurate, but for me, this 401 level is very juicy. I'll make it like 402. Let's make it 402. Around here. This level here, I'm very interested in this. Let's see though. I don't know if it'll... Hey, I see someone else had it down here. 358. I'm pretty sure that's that level. This what a lot of people have been interested in. Okay, let's see. Like, it's not that far away. Yeah, there's that slow up, fast down. A little bit of respect there. I'd like to see it tap into the bob level, but that's okay. Am I doing it trading in Forex? It's only early, you have all day. No, that's true. That's true. A little tip on the left shoulder from the cartoons. Sorry, you're nailing it, just saying. You're nailing it. I trade only Forex, but yesterday's New York session had some really weird dumps on pairs. I didn't take any trades because I was fast asleep. Damn! No, listen, was there a market that didn't drop yesterday? Maybe that's actually the better question. Does anyone know if there was a market that didn't drop? Yeah. Genuine question. Was there a market that didn't drop? Because I know gold and silver dropped like crazy. NQ obviously dropped like a mad lad. So literally, was there a market that didn't just drop to the center of the earth yesterday? Hey Chris, what's up? Am I doing trading in Forex market? No, sorry, Nasdaq futures. Buy and hold, let the full moon party start. You're bad. Well, there we go. It should be better now. I don't know why it's lagging so badly. This is really going to annoy me. I'm so sorry. Is it a little bit better now? Might have to get a cable and do this. Let's check the ping. There we go. It should be better now. I don't know why it's having moments coastal places, man. Anyways. There we go. The ping's not bad now. Let's hope it decides to behave itself. Done. Huh. Okay. Right idea. Just didn't come down far enough. Excuse you. Sorry, my dog's complaining like he has a really tough life. I'm sorry. Sorry. Okay. Gonna wait for confirmation. Like I said, today I'm gonna take A+++ setups. Because it's so close yet so far. That's how it feels. I'm so close yet so far from passing this eval. This is where I really can't let the emotions take over. But we've got this. We've got this. If you bought there, you would be a funded trader. It didn't retest. Sally, the point is to also stick with my strategy. It didn't retest far enough down. Are you looking for buy or sell? I'm also looking at the same and I'm aiming at the buy. I'm afraid for my poor prop firm at this point as I'm in drawdown. Oh no, not that. I'm so sorry. Hello, chicken nugget. I kind of love that. I'm not gonna lie. That is such a weird compliment, but I'm so down for it. Oh, chicken nuggy. Moving on. Sorry. Random moments. This close to being put on timeout. Just saying. This close. Moving on. Hi, trading is hard. I'm just getting started with this. Any tips? Oh, meaningfulness. Absolutely. So do you have a strategy? Have you figured out a strategy? Yeah, give me a little bit of backstory, then I can help you through the next step, right? Hey, Element, what's up? How you doing? I wanted to say something not rude, but it's what popped into my head, but I won't do it because it's not okay. Hey, David Trump, what's up? How you doing? Anyways. Let's see. But yeah, meaningfulness. Help me out a little bit. Do you have a strategy? How long have you been looking into this? Have you been doing some research? Yeah. Would have missed me. Respected the shelf nicely though. So let's see if this is a turning point. Let's see if this is now going to be continuation. Bob level to Bob level. Hey, Ocean Beats, I am South African. How did you know? Was it the weird accent? Mohammed, what's up? Wow, that's mean. For the missed trade. I would say that's rude, but you know what? When you're right, you're right. I can't argue with you. Oh, when you're right, you're right. I don't know what you're saying. Go about to say what I was thinking. No, I can't believe you didn't take that trade because it didn't hit your level. See the tick. Discipline, sorry. Discipline. It's half of what I've been working on. Don't listen here. You're being a little sneaky. That's what you're doing. You're being a little sneaky. That's tempting me. I don't like it. I'm South African too. Amazing, Ocean Beats. What part of SA are you from? There's a few South Africans. They're not here right now. But yeah, during the New York stream, normally OTT and Jordy do hop in a little bit. There's a few South Africans that join. It's amazing. Welcome. I love that there's actually such a big trading community in SA. I had no idea.
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
Anyways, you're not a robot. Yes, I am. Sorry, I tried to do robot voice and robot arm. Anyway, sorry, moving on. I am student in trading. We're in level of how to place breakup structure on the graph. David Trump, is that what you say? What? KZ Inside too. What's up, Ocean Beats? We're like neighbors. I love it. KZN for the win, apart from the fact that dying of heat a little bit, but it's fine. I mean, yesterday was better. I see there's some clouds now, thank heavens, because wow. Just wow. The heat has been... Excuse my language here, but it's been redonkulous. Solly's making me feel dumb for not taking this, but in the same breath, discipline, discipline, discipline. Solly, stop being such a bad influence. Oh my gosh. What was? Oh, the robot thing. That's mean. That's mean. Come on, I thought it was cool. I am. I'm like an old grandma that's trying to be cool. Solly, you're allowed to call me an auntie again.
Why are you
Element
doing
gold
this?
trade?
Why are you even thinking this way?
I can... let's see, I'll have a look at gold soon. Let's see. Does the trade become more valid if it reaches that one more tick? No. But it's a bit better, right? No? Maybe? Let's go, Mzanzi. Who knew you were in SA? Your accent's not quite... There's sort of a British Afrikaans accent to it. See, maybe it's because I'm not Afrikaans. I'm full on just saying I can speak some Afrikaans, but not fully. No, wait, we got another essay in the house. I love it. All the South Africans unite. Anyways, I'm doing it for a week. I've traded in stocks, but wow, like oil and Bitcoin. I have found that first. I'm using the app. Have a trade. Is it any good? So I trade the Nasdaq futures, so I don't actually deal so much in those. Solly, do you know anything about this? Speaking of, where's some guy gone? He's like my Bitcoin man. I don't know where he's been. I'll have to bug him. Mandisa, what's up? Listen, just because you woke up in a sassy mood today doesn't mean you can judge me for doing weird things, okay? I am Maya. I 99% of the time do weird things. It's like who I am. It's my brand. I'm weird. Anyways, oh my gosh. This is so cool. So many South Africans in the house.
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking
Pyeong,
this
what's
way?
up? How you doing? How goes it? I'm kind of curious now. I have to ask this question. I'm gonna do a poll of who is from SA. So okay, the South Africans will understand this. The non-South Africans, you might understand this, but it is the funniest. Well, I think it's the funniest. It's just because I'm old. It was a thing going around, and it was like, you know, I'm very scared of going overseas, and there's a dog that attacks me that doesn't understand what footsack means. Maybe it's not that funny, but still. Doo-doo-doo, hello. Goodness. Nah. Here we go. Oh, my South Africans who died. Oh, sorry, I may or may not be a tad bit too excited about this. So am I funded? I am $400 away from passing my eval, which is why I'm going to be very selective of my trades. So just to give you an idea, I haven't even been trading for a year yet. This is the closest I've been to passing an eval. So I haven't passed an eval before because I've been working really hard on, like, I can see it. There we go. I've been working really hard on the discipline and consistency, which I know theoretically for evals you don't have to do that because you're not gaining anything, but I think as a trader, consistency and discipline is number one. So it has taken me some time. I know some people say it's not bad. I know some people are like, oh, you haven't even passed an eval yet. You know, it's all part of the journey. Everyone has a different journey that they go on. Mine is I haven't passed an eval yet, but I am $400 away from passing this one. So I am trying my bestest to not let the emotions take over. Yes, I think that's it. I'm just trying my best to not let the emotions take over. You short-term technical trader? More short-term, I guess you could say. Maybe not, but I need to drive by staying out. I might be going bob level to bob level. It kind of looks like it is going bob level to bob level. It's what I thought when I saw it rejecting off of here. I thought, oh, this looks like a bob to bob level. A level to level, which we love to see, but gotta wait for them confirmations. Like I said, I'm making sure this is not ranging before I hop in and do something dumb. That joke is from 2017. It was crazy. It had me too. I won't lie. See, thank you. Thank you. And the point is, as a South African, you know that joke. You know that footsack joke. But as a non-South African, you won't know that joke. Who knows what footsack means if you are not South African? The doo-doo, I'm using top 1 futures. There is a 40% discount going on currently, which is awesome. You can use my code. It's Teachmaya. I'll pin it for you. There is also, sorry, I actually have to update it. It's not an 84% discount going on with Violin, it's a 89%, which is freaking cool. Oh, thanks guys, you're so sweet. You gained something from this, Maya. Nice. Better to be slow and profitable than high risk and blowing accounts. People don't understand this. Prop firms love boring trading. Boring for the win, right? I think that's it. It sounds really weird, but I guess that slow and steady wins the race thing. Yeah. Do you think about diversifying your portfolio? How do you mean like trading other assets? Yeah. And with 5% is what the heck is that? I've never even heard of that. The doo-doo? What? If Maya went in 5 and Q should pass her account with 4 points, 10 seconds. What about that? Hello, what's up? Because sometimes after big moves, people are also move straddles, so looking at other instruments is odd. Yeah. Oh, you bought yen? Oh, interesting. Well, I mean, so I have like had a look at gold and things. I think I'm just really used to the Nasdaq futures, and when I started, I said that I want to get good at one asset before I start jumping around, because as similar as assets move, right? They are different, let's just be real. I mean, even ES and MAQ are different. ES almost respects things a little bit better, so theoretically I guess I should trade ES, but yeah, I don't know if what I'm saying is making sense right now. Oh, it's good. Okay, not odd. I was like, I'm confused. You sounded like you're all for it. The 5%ers Club, prop firm, very strict, but also been around for 11 years. What? I've never heard of them. I know. Listen, Solly, it's something I have been forward testing. I've been keeping my eye on it. For example, I have been forward testing if there's a big engulfing candle. Like here, I might have bought here, but then it's always a thing of where do you put your stop? Stop maybe there. So I mean, that would have been a win. And hectic, like big wick rejections off of the bob levels tend to work quite well. Like this engulfing candle by here, bob level to bob level. Again, hindsight is very easy, right? Very easy to look at hindsight and be like, oh, cool. Here, engulfing candle, enter. Look at this wick. Anyways, that would have actually been nasty, but it's fine. But I mean, it did theoretically go bob to bob, but yeah. I mean, check out this nonsense. Bob, bob, straight back up to bob. No, these bob levels are absolute insanity. Insanity, but yeah. Are they always 100%? No. I mean, you could see that just missed it here, just missed it, but it's a pretty good idea. They're almost like magnets. It's really cool. .5% sounds like it kind of does. It's not so much a motorcycle gang. I know there's 1%ers in motorcycle gangs. I know this because I hung out with some like motorbike people the other day. It was very interesting to learn about their rules and customs and stuff. But yeah, if they have 1% on their patched on, it means something very specific. See, like here, I would be rather tempted to take this, but I'm waiting for confirmation that we're actually just not going sideways and we're actually having some proper price action, because that's what got me yesterday. I entered, it was an A+ setup, but because we're going sideways, it did take me out at half loss, but still. I don't even know if it's gonna go that high up. 1, 2. I would prefer my stop loss a little bit higher because there's a little bit of a volume imbalance there. Hey yo, Rip, what's up? I've been selling Nasdaq and gold since Asia session. See it keep dropping. Thoughts? Mandisa, yes, I like to. I suspect it's gonna keep dropping. I suspect, but again, I'm not like amazing yet. So, is there any logic to trading highs and lows? I can only see random fluctuations. Chemicals, I don't actually trade highs and lows, so because I don't always see it, so I can't actually answer that. Does anyone here trade highs and lows? Motorcycle Club, thank you. Hey Mike the Goat, what's up? How's it going? How much have I made so far from trading? Well, I'm not profitable yet, so nothing. But that being said, like sand, we only notice when the pile is running out. Damn, Johnny, that was deep as heck. Investing, also just trading. Just trading for now. You know I do. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Highs and lows are good on higher time frame. Ah, that's interesting. Actually, that's valid on higher time frame trading. Cold gold and NQ. Well done, guys. Damn. Y'all are on point. Wow. Okay, to be fair, we have 60% of people that aren't South African, which is quite impressive. Which is rather impressive. Means the other 40% are actually, okay, maybe some of you just aren't answering the poll, but still, that's pretty damn cool. Look at all of you South Africans. Sorry, I feel like so proud. Proudly South African. Anyways, I'll end the poll there because, let's see. Not bad. How do you go from Florida? Nice. Is Florida as crazy as a lot of places make it seem? Didn't quite touch that level. Wait for confirmation, wait for confirmation, wait for confirmation, wait for confirmation, wait for confirmation. What time is it as well? Let's check the time. 39. Normally it does weird things around this time for some reason. It is going slowly up, which is not bad. Feeling looks like it's respecting the lower lows. Oh, amazing. Okay, cool. Cool. I know these wicks are just wicking out properly. Watching what it does. Okay, no, I'm gonna wait for confirmation. Like I said, wait for proper setups today. Let's not do anything dumb. Let's get this. That was promising. Good wick down, good. You're anonymous YouTuber? What's up? So I use Anyways, I use market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. Boom. Did it before the next screen. Okay, yeah, so I use market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC. If you're selling, don't think a breaker structure would give you more confirmation. This kind of looks like high risk if you sell. No, Mandy's 100%. That's why I'm not doing it. I need to wait for break of structure. That's why, like I said, I would have actually probably normally taken this trade, but I'm straight up looking for like A+++ setups right now. Need proper confirmation before I jump into anything. Patience pays, right? Patience pays, patience pays. I just have to remind myself that sometimes being patient is a pain in the butt. But patience and discipline, patience and discipline. Wait for your A+ setup, and then let's get it, right? We can expand on the market auction theory. Okay, Haru, I'm listening. You have never heard of such a strategy. Ah, I know, it's kind of, I don't want to say my own thing, because I guess it's not. But I guess, yeah. Let's get funded exactly. ICT is not original. Oh no, careful, careful. You're gonna offend someone's dad. Well, you're gonna offend his son. Solly, your ICT son? Well, ICT son. 6-year contracts are very inexpensive too. You use Trendline. Does it work for you? I've never been great with the Trendline. Yeah. If anything, I sometimes use Trendline for confirmation when it breaks, but I don't use it to trade off of, if that makes sense. I'll draw a Trendline when it breaks. I know that we're either gonna dump or sell depending on where it's headed. Phoenix Cloak. Not yet. I'm $400 away, which is why I'm being extra fussy today. I'm gonna be a proper fussy goose. 50 cent, yep. Trendline is too subjective. There we go, right? I mean, yeah, I guess some could argue that mine could also be a little bit subjective, but yeah. 2-touch or 3-touch Trendline? See, no idea. No idea. I don't really know Trendline, sorry. Those animation things, what about it? DJ? What do you trade? What's your background? Don't cry, don't cry. Don't feel fussy, focused on the process. No, 100%, right? That's why, like I said, Rip, you're being awfully quiet, which always makes me nervous. Why are you being so quiet? I really get nervous when you're quiet. Forget who. Anyways, it brings back 2014 memories. Ah, thanks. Yeah, listen, they're pretty funny. DJ, if you want control of them, you're welcome to join the membership. So yeah, you have full access to the memes. If you join the membership, then you guys get control of them. My father was a Trendline. Brandon, I'm waiting for this. Please elaborate. I'm dying. This is gonna be good. Your father was a Trendline. I'm waiting to hear the punchline of this. Put you into something in the chat. Okay, Mandisa, I'm all ear. Well, I'm all eyes, I guess. I can't listen to what you're saying. The Godfather of your fair value. There we go. There we go. Oh, okay. I see Rip is still ignoring me. Wow. Just... I feel like I'm gonna feel like an absolute chop for not taking this trade, but in the same breath, this is high risk, so... Like, high risk with this price action. Okay, I'll save you in your trading career now. Hey Austin, what's up? Please, am I a pro? I would not call myself a professional, no. Oh, I guess, what's your definition of a professional? Maybe let's start there. You're looking for break structure after liquidity sweep? Yeah, I'm waiting for confirmation that we're gonna have continuation. Basically, that's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for confirmation, that's where we're at. We're going along sled. No, I'm still feeling bears. Yeah, I'm still feeling bears. I feel like we retraced to the 50%, we filled in that imbalance, and we have more sell side liquidity that's looking pretty down here at these levels here. That 401-ish type level. I'll look up Steve. Okay. I've heard some Steves are really good. That's rant. Yeah, anyway, sorry. What pair is this, please? This is the Nasdaq futures. Sorry, not a pair. This previous need to more value than. Hey, Austin, I'm $400 away from passing the eval, which is why I'm being very selective today. I guess you could say that. Maybe to a fault. Maybe I'm overthinking. But I'm waiting for price action to... Well, number one, I'm waiting for price action to price action right now because it's still kind of going sideways. Waiting for confirmation that we are actually going to have either continuation or a reversal, not just this chip, chop, 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 chop. Because that's not fun, that's sad. And sad backwards is and that's not good. Boy, Amora, what's up, Tyler? How you doing? Mr. Opinion, hi. 30-minute orb, session open, New York, Asia, London, wait for 5-minute breakout and trade in the direction. Oh, wait. 30-minute orb at the session open. Both, for all three, New York, Asia, and London. Wait for a 5-minute... Oh, okay, yeah, on the 5-minute breakout, and then trade in that direction. Interesting, okay, I'll have to forward test that, okay. I mean, back test that. Well, I could do both. What is my account size? Ta-da! Again, this is the eval, so yeah. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's 52597.92. And this is why I said I was being fussy. Let's see if this would have hit stop loss. It's so simple. It's not that complicated. I love it. I'm valuing it. You made money. It's fine with me. You remind me of ChatGPT. Nathaniel, I'm gonna need you to elaborate. How do I remind you of ChatGPT? I believe in you and it doesn't all need to happen in one trade. Stick to your process. It's gotten you this far. Thank you, Austin. I appreciate that. Do you hear that, Solly and David? Be more supportive. Good grief. Are we gonna real-time real trading? Yes. 100%. That's what I do. Live, both London and New York session every day. I take all my trades. I take all my trades live on stream. I don't take any trades off of the stream because I want this to be a very open and honest channel. You guys get to see all the losses, all the overthinking, all the laughs, all the... I would say all the crying, but I haven't cried on a live. Have I? I've nearly cried on a live, but I haven't cried on a live. So that, you know. The 5:15 remember when I set a higher time frame, green candle 15 and scale down to 5. Can a dumb person like you learn trading in a day? First of all, I doubt you're dumb. I doubt you're dumb. And learn trading in a day? No. Sorry, I'm being very open. No, I don't think it's possible for someone to learn trading like properly and fully comprehend and understand it in a day. It's taken me nearly a year. So, no. Whoop whoop, I'm buying my account. Good one. One step going to be a tough one. Hey, well done, Tyler. Whoop whoop. That's amazing. have a second look at the trade you would have taken yesterday. Okay, Haro, I will definitely have a look. After every trading day, especially trading week, something big happens. I've noticed that. Okay, DJ. Like a big move? That was your entry. Haro, do you have Discord? Please cry on live. Rude. Why do you guys want to see me cry on a live stream? That's me. Well, I guess it would be quite funny. To be fair, I would laugh at myself. But still. Were you able to get on during the London Open around 2 AM EST? Definitely a volatile market. What did you think about yesterday's New York session? Hey, Austin. So, no, I normally hop on around 3 AM EST. So not 2 AM. I see 2 AM actually would have been quite nice, but it's fine. Yesterday's market. Yesterday's New York session. Wow. Just wow. It ran away. There was no way for me to enter. It just left without me. Do you see why we wait for A+ setups and wait for confirmation? That would have been a full loss. Anyways, sorry. So yesterday's New York session, insanity. Sorry, just absolute insanity. The full drop, so actually I did a post on it. The full drop was 810 points, if I'm not mistaken. I think just during the New York it was, let's actually measure from the New York Open down. Okay, New York Open down. 640 points. Nice try. 640 point drop just during New York yesterday. Absolutely not. Like I said, there was no way that it retraced to get me back in. The only place it kind of retraced was over here, but this was then not an A+ setup for me. And neither of these were A+. Sorry, this wasn't even a full 50%. This one here, and that was like a C setup at best. So no entry, no entry. I nearly took a trade here, thank heavens. I did not, because it was also not an A+, it was a B setup. This would have taken me out. People were trying to get me to take a sell here, and I said I'm not convinced that this is going to work. So yeah, luckily I listened to myself, because again, it was not an A+ setup for me. Yeah, so it literally just ran away without me. And now this is going sideways after Asia looked like it had quite a decent drop down. Oh well. Sorry, that was my little spiel of what happened yesterday. Welcome to my throwback. Moving on. Oh, fantastic. Are you part of the Discord, Kara? I've been learning trading for 6 months now, so like it lost. No, awesome. Okay, hear me out. Hear me out. Even like people that have been trading for years get losses. Losses is just part of the game. I don't like to call it a game. It's part of the process, right? So losses happen. You learn from it, and sometimes it's just that the market, it could have been a higher probability, it could have been an A+ setup, and the market just didn't go your way that day, you know. As much as you can try and predict what it's going to do, it's not always going to be 100%. So you just continue. But now it's sold big time. I saw it sold like 7.5% or something stupid, right, Tyler? Geronimo, what the? How are you? Crazy open from New York Open. I was looking at and slammed in within 30 minutes. Damn. Austin, where am I from? I'm from South Africa. What's up? I got 105 AM yesterday. Caught a nice trade and then watched the Open and it just tanked. Yes. Ayo, Justin Bieber. Wait till the end of this 15-minute candle. Tell me if your confidences work better after this previous. I needs to fail. Yay! Okay, cool. Oh, Jonathan, thank you. I appreciate that. I really appreciate that. I'm not. I joined your channel yesterday. Ah, please feel free to join. Yeah, it's always amazing to have knowledgeable people in the channel and the Discord. I mean, it's amazing to have anyone that wants to be a part of the community. I want it to be a very nice, safe community where we just lift each other up. Like, we want to see each other be profitable, and if we have red days, we are supportive, you know, have laughs together, can discuss what's happening in the markets, you know, all that. My mother increased. Damn, what the heck, man, DJ? That's ridiculous. It's this frame of mind that has helped me a lot with managing trades and honestly just making progress in general. It doesn't have to happen on this trade, is what I say, and it helps. No, 100%, right? It's the same as there's always another trade. There's always another trade. If you missed one, it's not the end of the world. There is indeed always another trade. Sorry, this was starting to look quite good. Shoot, I kind of like this for a long. That, we had that. Little change of character. Let's see. It would be nice if it goes back up to these highs. Let's see what this looks like on the 5 minutes. Sorry, you can see the focus kicked in. You know, sometimes the charts are boring, but sometimes they start to bring you some nice things. Ah, damn. Okay, I didn't retrace. About to hit the body of this candle here at 7. Sugar honey iced tea. Okay. Ooh, do we think it might be going back up to VWAP? It could be going back up to VWAP. Let's check the 15-minute. Oh, hello. One hour. Into this fair value gap here. 804. Popping back in and tapping into VWAP. Okay. Okay, let's quickly check the 4 hour. You see, my point of interest is this wick at this 401, 403-ish level. A little bit of a retest first isn't the end of the world. New York low is just below. Asia high is still above. Did take out 50% there. Okay, let's go back to the 1 minute. Let's see how this looks now. Wicked into it. Shoot, man, I'm overthinking. Four a.m. It's nearly 4. 4 happens here. Higher probability of it taking out the highs, which is up there. Shoot, I may have missed this. Shoot, 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 shoot. 1, 2, 3. This might have to be a stop now. Yep. Still be a limit. Checked it off over there. I think it might be patience pairs where everyone went quiet after I mentioned what happened. Is there a point of using volume indicators on trading views? It's only a fraction of the true volume. Shoot. I hesitated. Sugar honey iced tea. I'm not in this, no. Do you trust SA prop firms? Hey, Ocean Beats. Yeah. 4 a.m. 3:39 close happened right here. Probability of it retesting back down slightly further. And then taking the highs is up. True. I mean, I don't love that it's wicking like this, but it does show that the buyers do still want to kind of take a little bit of control. The fact that it closed above really nicely.
That's what she said.
And a retracement back up. We can get to 757. It looks good for longs. If it wasn't in the middle of this bob level, it might be a tiny bit easier for me, but shoot, man. But it's still dropping here. So you know, I'm gonna be frustrated with myself. This is where I have to hold myself accountable for not taking an A+ setup. Volumes also calmed down here, but it has not tapped. It kind of tapped into there slightly. Like I said, I could still take this. Maybe not. Cool. Let's see how it reacts at this volume imbalance over here. Protected there, protected there. Alrighty then. Cool. 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 That would have hurt me a little bit. That would have hurt me a little bit. I'm still gonna mark this though. Sorry, journaling. Journaling good, journaling good. Okay, sorry. Thought you liked to shush. Shush, shush. Rude. Leave it, let it run. Expansion. I'm glad you stayed away. Well, let's see. Those kind of stops are gonna... Oh, what? Where it just wicks you out? Huh. Let me quickly see something here. I mean, theoretically, that's on me. That was the correct range. I should have double checked that this retraced 50%. It did not retrace 50%, so the entry should have been here. So that actually should have been the trade. Ah, look at that. Oh, look at that. I say wait for 1 minute to break it slow again. Let's see. I think it's gonna take the high. I would be willing to do it now. You're half sleeping. The market decided to move quickly. Oh, that's valid. That is true. Don't get too hyped. Yes. Especially, I guess, right now. The market's not quite moving how I want it to move. Patience pays. Right? Patience pays. So actually, on that note, let me actually just, for 5 seconds, just go hands off. Watch what happens here. Sorry, let the hiccups take over for a minute, apparently. A little bit more focus on the chart. I mean, it respected that volume imbalance quite nicely, so that's nice, but it's still respecting the heck out of that order block. Oh, there we go. Now it went. So I didn't get confirmation that that actually did not retrace 50%, so...
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Hey, OTT, what's up? How's it going? Do you use the swing highs and lows when measuring your range? Basically, yeah, I use a range, Austin. The book is heavily convoluted. Risk appetite will definitely show us today how merciless it is. Read the chat, the comments will help you. So, Tyler, they do and don't help. So hear me out. Sometimes I agree. Sometimes the comments do make me kind of go, wait. If I'd listened to the comments yesterday, can I just say I would have taken this trade? Was it this one? Let me just get confirmation. It was this. Yeah. I would have taken this trade. And everyone was like, yeah, it's gonna go short. I kind of had a feeling it was not. And thank heavens I listened to myself, because it was not an A+ setup. And it would have hit my stop loss. So I agree, sometimes it really, really does help to look at the comments and watch and see what's happening. Other times, it makes me overthink. So, yeah. Patience pays is always wrong. True, 100%. Can't complain. It's taking trades though. Yeah, OTT, what the heck? Kyle, no. Anyways. OTT, I can't complain. I'm trying really hard to not let the emotions take over today. I'm trying so hard. Because OTT, I'm $400 away from passing this eval, which obviously means keep it together. Right? Just keep it together. I'm just using that to get your bread and butter setups. I think you would like the ICT stream from yesterday morning. He talks about defining ranges like you are using. Ooh, interesting, Austin. Let's have a look at that then. Definitely. Go follow us and trades. You can just copy his trades and make bank. He's in Canada. Alamo, don't take this the wrong way, and I'm sorry if this sounds really, really sassy. No, it's fine. It's gonna sound rude. I'm not gonna say it. It's okay. Don't mind me. Don't mind me. Only taken 2 trades this whole week. No ways, OTT. Just because you've stopped trading London? You tried trading 40 at the SA Open. The SA Open? What the heck is the SA Open? Ocean Beats? What? What even is the SA Open? There's an SA Open? There's a lottery for Golden Cup. I've heard, DJ. It's been crazy. How about them shorts, my baby copper finally getting attention? DJ! Oh my gosh, you're so funny. It's because when they stop, you won't know how to do it yourself. Basically, what I was gonna say is to copy trade is lazy. Like it's. Like I said, I don't want to be rude, you know, you do whatever works for you, but it feels so lazy. You're not helping yourself. You know, give a man a fish, he eats for a night, teach a man how to fish, he's fed for life. You know, that whole situation, no? Yes, did I say that correctly? Give a man a fish, he has food for the night. Yes. Teach a man how to fish, he has food for life. That was it. Yep. For me, it's that whole situation. Yeah, there we go. Thank you. That's true. There's things you need to backtest yourself, like that trade. Luckily, you never. No, 100%. 100%. Let's see if I had used this range. Like I said, it would have hit there, so I would have moved. Oh no, this would have taken me out at half loss. Yeah, so this actually would have been a half loss. Okay, so either way, this is why we wait for confirmation that we are headed in a certain direction. Apparently, we're just going sideways. And wait, now we're going down. Just because I said that, the market was like, no, watch me go. Anyway, sorry. I'm 4 years into trading. Oh, damn, Tyler, 4 years into trading? It's better to struggle and know yourself through your own hands and you have skills through it. Exactly. Yes, you have it on hand. Learn to fish so you can always feed yourself. Copying another trader isn't always bad if you understand the trade and you like it. It's fine. Blindly copying is insanity. Like, I guess that's true. Like, if you have a similar trading style and your trades line up and you're like, actually, that's a really good idea. I agree with you. Let's do this, and you almost take it together. I mean, theoretically, me and Mudcrab took a trade together yesterday, but it's not because I was copying his trade or he was copying mine. It's just that both of our trading styles lined up and we were like, let's do this. And it was a winning trade. It was awesome. But it's not that he was copying me or that I was copying him. It was just both of our trading styles lined up and we're like, yeah, this looks good. Let's do it. Gold going down, gold going nowhere. I'm gonna start showing how I fish in these markets. Do it, Haro. Do it. Let's see how you fish. Get less, although trading both sessions was just hurting my psychology. Trading one session, yes, I trade less, especially with my model, but one trade all I need now a week. No, that's true. What do you do the rest of the day, OTT? Out of curiosity. Sorry, maybe that's like personal information, but I'm kind of curious. That's what he does, is teach and try to explain. It's super helpful. Okay. Is that a beaver screaming in here? Yeah, it's Justin Bieber. Cookies. What do I expect daily bias on NQ? Ooh, I think it's gonna continue bearish overall. I mean, right now, I suspect, guys, this is definitely not like financial advice or anything like that. I suspect that we're gonna continue dropping down. Or we could just go sideways after that redonkulous drop we had yesterday. That is rude, David. Anyways, I just invest my entire life savings into... Okay, good for you. Some people copy trades and full put every trade and get mad when it doesn't work out. It's a numbers game. Damn, also that's hilarious. You watching that 1 minute for an entry? I'm waiting for confirmation. I've said it before. I must remind myself of it again. I was waiting, but like I said, this theoretically was A+, but things are just not working out how I want them to work out. It's just hopping betwixt the two levels. I needed to actually start breaking below and actually getting more movement. This is just like on the higher time frames, it's just going sideways. So for me to take any trade right now will most likely result in a loss. So I'm waiting for la confirmation before I hop in and do something I regret. Let's see how they play out. Soothing music is just what I need. I'm trying to learn to chill and your channel's helping me. Oh, Daniel, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm glad that it's helping you. I'm sorry that you're stressed. That's what I was aiming for. Sorry that the brain malfunctioned there. It does that quite often. As you guys well know, the brain does this all the time. Anyways, moving on. Hey, you can hands off today and watch and still pass easily Monday or Tuesday. No, that's true. They say open is 9 AM. Really? Cool. I did not know that. Thanks, Ocean Beats. Every day you learn something new on these charts. I love it. Every single day you learn something new. I have no idea about you, but he has a huge live win rate. Anyways, Maya, when am I getting married? Anyways, that's a high forming. I would look for longs. Let's wait for confirmation. What if this breaks below? Seriously, what if this breaks below? That's why I am waiting. I'm sorry, I know this is kind of boring. Thank heavens I have you guys to keep me entertained. Charts can be boring. Discipline is boring. Patience is boring. Sorry. But it pays. I think in the last 6 months, that's majority of what I've been doing. I've been waiting for, or learning and practicing my discipline. That's it. Remember, don't take last week's success and bring it to the new week. Don't expect to catch all the setups you did last week. No, 100%. Basically a trade every day. There'll be days you don't trade at all. No, that's true. It's, what is it? It's day trader, not everyday trader, right? If the price action's not price actioning how it should be price actioning, don't do it. It's just not worth it. So that's why I'm waiting for confirmations. Expecting price range and volume. I mean, might be good. You actually have a point. Hey, Simplify, what's up? You're back. Markets are gonna stay sideways. Well, let's see. Let's see. Especially when you're close to passing your eval breathe. I know. I like this price level once the high. I would like it to go from here. I don't want the opening price hit. Oh, sorry, Rip, I saw that too late, but opening price was hit, which means it's low probability, right? What do you trade? Hey! Gus the artist. There we go. I got it. I trade the Nasdaq futures. What's up? The micros, to be specific. SA open is basically London session start. Oh, really? See, guys, learning something new every single day. Over the holiday, I reassess and manage my state's governance. Things they don't tell you something. I'm single, y'all. Anyways, well, I just did short failed H1. You think if you're there, moving, you want to come back? Doesn't seem to have what it takes. Nah. Bye, Maya. Bye. Like I said, I'm hands off, guys. I'm hands off until I get confirmation. I'm not about to do dumb stuff today. Even though Solly was tempting me to just like mark it in. I was very tempted for a little bit to just mark it in and just pass quickly. And I was like, no, don't do that. Stop that. I got everyone that was optimistic about lungs at chart speaks. Listen closely. Anyways, everyone has a different way of reading price. There's no right or wrong. You either make money or lose money. We know you single like a Pringle. Well, that was just unnecessary. Damn, Tyler, why you gotta hurt my feelings like that? Jeez. Just because I'm an unsocial butterfly, like I'm an anti-social. I literally got a tattoo of an antisocial butterfly, specifically for the fact that I am a very, very antisocial butterfly. Like, don't let how much I talk to you guys. Okay, wait, brain malfunctioning. Give me a second. Okay. Don't let how I talk to you guys via the live stream make you believe that I am actually a very chatty person in real life. If I go out and they are strangers, I am dead quiet. I am dead quiet. I am very much a shy person. I'm very much an introvert, believe it or not. I just really like you guys and we have things in common and you guys chat to me and we have good conversations. It flows. Then again, if I was in person, I would be shy as heck. Anyways. For the channel would be David and Maya trading. David doesn't trade though, so easiest place to pick up liquidity and trap again. I don't trade, so Maya. David prop. Hey Marrakesh, what's up? The buy low, sell high. I don't see it hindsight. I mean, if I wasn't taken. That's so funny. You're not an introvert. No ways. No, I am. That's me. I'm antisocial. There we go, Captain Crunch. What's up, Captain Crunch? How you doing? Thing with traders and not no, 100%. 6J1 contract long. You would have passed. Don't tell me what I shoulda, coulda, woulda. I'm very aware of what I shoulda, coulda, woulda. Do you know how often I look at this and I go, I shoulda, coulda, woulda? Happens so often. Literally, guys, and the problem is when I'm out in public, believe it or not, don't let this little smile fool anyone. I have I'll keep it PG-13. I have a resting bee face, right? So if I'm out in public and I'm just relaxed like this, do I look grumpy? Do I seem a little bit grumpy? I have a bit of a resting bee face, so people are very scared to talk to me or approach me. And then they talk to me and I'm like, hi! But I do not talk to people first, and I have a resting bee face, so people are too scared to talk to me first. So yes, yeah. And if we don't have anything in common, I just stay quiet. And obviously there's not a lot of people out there that trade, so to have discussions about trading does not happen. That being said though, apparently there are quite a lot of South Africans over here, which I love. I absolutely love it. Hey Lucky, what's up? Captain Crunch, did I trade yesterday and catch I did not catch the downtrend. I didn't get any setups for my, yeah. Would you say you're shy instead of introvert? I don't know. Maya just ignored the mitigation block. No. I'm just waiting for price action to start price actioning. I don't like this price action. Like, I'll set this up. Let's see if this maybe gives confirmation that we're going to continue to the sell side, but yeah. Just, yeah. Like I said, let's see. This looks like it's going to start going up again, so it's fine. I've missed. Alright, I thought people with resting bee faces are two-faced when they smell to other people, but not when they're alone. See? Aw, OTT, you're so sweet. Thank you. You're here. You've got my back. You're so sweet. Thank you. Failure is a bittersweet teacher in life. Sometimes failing is succeeding in disguise. Sometimes succeeding is failure in disguise. Enjoy them both. Embrace them both. Since both are temporary. Damn, Johnny. You really are coming here with, like, facts, but, like, deep facts. Anyways. Sorry, as I said that this popped into my head.
That's what she said.
Anyways. I'm good, still looking at Naz. Yeah, Lucky, what's up? How you doing? 626. Oh, we got a rip level. Whoopsies. I accidentally clicked that. Maybe. 626. 626. 626. 626. Why am I saying this over and over again? Why does this sound familiar? 626. Experiment 626. It's a Lilo and Stitch thing. Oh, that was why it was bugging me so much. I'm so sorry. Anyways, do you see I quite enjoy little cartoons as well. Moving on. I'm sorry. 626 was bugging me. That's why it was bugging me. I'm so sorry. I'll start acting normal. You want to see some speed to that level? That's valid. Oh, anyways, I've helped a lot of people and get shout out on my streams and I've been telling me I don't like seeing people lose. Saying, wait, go long and be able to prepare, go long. So if I have anything to offer with it, So, okay. Do I have that? No, what? No, I don't, DJ. Now I want to know what sound that is. There's no need to add more. Once you can just slow down. This is David. I need to try more now. I love. Thank you, Tyler. See, I'm glad someone. That was really bothering me. But anyway, sorry, the 626 thing. Anyways. Hey Kyle, why 626? Good question. Ask Rip. Rip, why 626? Sorry, so this is just one of the amazing community members. I call them Rip levels. So he said this level. Let's see. Is there anything of interest at this level? I mean, there's a little bit of an order block going on there. A little bit of a band gap. So yeah, it's a pretty valid level. Let's see if it goes all the way down there now. Okay, we're gonna get confirmation. Ha 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 ha. We might start to get confirmation. Let's see. It's just hit Bob level to Bob level. Let's see if it rejects back off of this. If it does, it's just bouncing betwixt the two. Between nanoseconds and tens. Anyways. Now let's just focus on the chart. ICT isn't. Oh damn! Oh damn! Oh damn! Okay. Oh wait! He's been in chat with you? Do you stream? Wait. Now you have piqued my curiosity. Best believe I'm gonna go now and check this out. You have now piqued my curiosity. These nanoseconds is amazing. Mine max is 45 minutes, but that's a price really choppy. Usually 20 minutes I'm out. Sorry, my curiosity has now been piqued. Let's see this. Let's see this. Also, am I saying this correctly? Is it Haro? No, okay, you do not stream. So when did he hop on with you? I have questions. Yeah, when did he hop on with you? No, on other channels. Oh, like he was on the chat and you told him on the chat? Okay, that makes sense. He was on this channel once. I fangirled like a big baby. That was very embarrassing, but it's fine. Projection off of this Bob level again. Shoot, this was an A+. 1, 2, 3. Shoot. But this rejection here is not ideal. And still waiting for confirmation. Still waiting for confirmation. Still waiting for confirmation. Patience, patience. Would have... Again, shoulda, coulda, woulda. I know, don't do that to myself. I get it, but... You know. Who asked by the price level? That's the highest probability move for the current market environment based on objective data points. Oh, there we go. Okay, I hope that answered Kyle. Kyle asked, right? Kyle? See how it's helping. That's how you help! Damn fighting words going on today. Anyways, instant like when you rejected by a woman. Y'all came in hot for a Friday. Are you guys good? You guys like hopped in and you're like, today we are choosing violence. All of you have just hopped in and you're like, today violence is the way to go. I don't know why. Are you guys all okay? Do you guys need a hug? Like maybe there's just...
That's what she said.
I was gonna do this actually. Anyways, for me it's just this today.
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
Okay, I'm back. Not me. Today we chose Miles Live. Ah, that makes sense. That makes sense. And that just invoked vibe. No, joking. I'm just kidding. Jokes. This price action is wanting to invoke violence within me right now, but wait for confirmation, wait for confirmation, wait for confirmation, wait for confirmation, right? Let's see if this now goes down. Like I said, this actually, out of everything I've seen so far, this would have been the best setup. Don't like that, and I don't like that we still don't have a confirmation, and here are the buyers coming into play. So again, price action is not working for my strategy yet. So patience pays. Sit and wait. Sorry, I was doing this and my dog thought there was someone at the door. Oh, what would invalidate that would be the recent low high made. I would like that to remain intact, otherwise I would expect a range. And the hiccups are back. I think this is just gonna range in all honesty, but we still have a plethora of time. See, we're getting fancy up in here. So in all honesty, I've taken a little pause from Dragon Ball Z because like it's not bad, but the writing now and then they mess up. So I took a tiny pause and I'm watching I'm watching Ghost Stories. The dubbed version. Flip, it's unhinged. It is so unhinged. It is so funny. Anyways. Excuse me, can we stop going down, please? What the hell are you doing? Are you in a buy? They must stop the violence. I'm the new bodyguard. Hey, Nathaniel, let's do this. Risk appetite day. PJ, yeah. Apologies. I'm coming off as rude, but yeah, it's like it's quite annoying when people keep saying you could have done this and do this and blah, 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 blah. I mean, OTT, it's like yesterday, right? I'm sorry, I'm not trying to be disrespectful to people. I apologize if I'm coming across that way. Like I said, I'm always keen to learn, and they were not wrong. It definitely did tap into the 720 level. You know, everyone, this setup specifically here, I had this, but I even said this is not an A+ setup for me. It was not A+ at all. I didn't like it. Everyone was trying to get me to take the short here. I didn't take it because, again, it was not A+. It was like a B setup. You can see it kind of rejected off of the levels I wanted it to see, but definitely not enough. And it would have been a full loss. So, you know, as much as you're here to learn, because you really do. Like I said, I have a notepad full of things that I have learned. And every day I feel like I learn something new. Like this whole essay opening time and things. Whoa. Anyways. You know, doesn't always mean that it's going to be 100%. You have to also learn things for yourself. Like this could have actually been a win and then lesson learned, right? But, you know, things happen. So you also have to trust your strategy, trust your testing, trust your data, or data, however you want to say it, before I get yelled at for that. I don't trade. Is that a fib? Hey, well, it's technically a GAN box, but sure. You can call it whatever you want to. Mozambique. Mozambique? What's up? How's Mozambique? How's it looking? You know, I've never been to Mozambique, which kind of makes me sad because it looks so beautiful there. It looks so beautiful. Gold buy a $220 book. Ooh, hey Santosh, what's up? Why am I picking my nail? I'm not. I'm actually not picking it off. It's just, I deal with horses and a lot, so it naturally just chips off every single day, slowly but surely. Was I actually picking it? I think I just play with my nails. Anyway, sorry. I need to watch Plunderer. Plunderer? Okay, I'll have a look into it. So this is happening because of the entity and their rate hikes. Oh, interesting. Okay. Oh, why does this just look like it wants to go sideways? That being said, it did this yesterday, and then at around 12 South Africa time, we actually started getting some decent price action. So let's see if it does it again today. That would be quite nice. Just putting it out there to the stock market, you know, just Maybe if I talk nicely to them. You know, pretty please, pretty please. Pretty please. It'd be so nice. It'd be so nice if you guys start price actioning. I know it's Friday. I know this is specifically why some people don't trade Fridays, right? Forgot to use your hands. Yeah, no, I do. It annoys a lot of people. I use my hands to talk quite often. Sorry. Oh, you mean hands a lot, like during the day? Yes, that too. Like I ride horses, I sort out their food, I brush my horses. Huh. Remember I said so far this was the best trade? Here we go. Watch it now prove me wrong just because I said here we go. But I did like this one. It definitely was the best setup that has formed. Still didn't take it because still has not given me correct confirmation yet. So, oh, it's coiling on ES. It's coiling solidly. That's a barcode right there. I wonder what we could scan and buy off of that. Anyways, tis barcoding. Oh well. Yeah, I forgot to. Problem is, this trade is the way we read price we think is correct. As I'm trying to shorten seeing this one along. Obviously, I would want to be right, but people stay quiet during the times you. Yeah. Thank you. You okay, girl? Oh damn. Okay. Yeah, clearly not. I think NQ is exhausted after yesterday's New York session.
That's what she said.
Anyways, there we go. I know. It's funny. Hey Chris, what's up? Prove my point into live. You can go watch it since you want to be. What's happening? Me? Are you saying I'm being passive aggressive? Am I being passive aggressive? I'm so sorry. I don't mean to be passive aggressive. I mean to be aggressive. No, I'm joking. Oh gosh, yeah. Okay, so that also would have been a half loss. Okay, so price action, just no. Do you have of course with the spots, the oh dabble? Oh, are you talking more like the Appaloosa? I do actually have an Appaloosa, but she's an old girl, she's retired. No, I have an ex-racehorse. I don't think he was very fast. But yes, I have an ex-racehorse. No, it's ranging to generate liquidity for the news at 3rd. There's news at 1. Hey Georgie, what's up? Rip, you can't say that. You can't say that. You're supposed to say she's just having a moment. Okay. You can't say that. Oh, okay, got it. Hey Chris, what's up? Where am I from? I'm from South Africa. How are you doing? How's it? No. Anyways, I was gonna say footsec, but I don't want you to footsec. A lot of South Africans know what that means. It's now gonna be stuck. I'm gonna be using footsec often, sorry. Anyways, where are you from, Chris? Friday, not a good day for trading for me. I've had mixed on Fridays. I've had some Fridays that were just like amazing, and then other Fridays where, yes, you're right, they were just absolutely shocking. I'm not surprised at this price action after yesterday's New York session. So yeah, I'm not gonna say I'm surprised about this at all. But we do still then just have to wait for les confirmations. Yeah, no. Okay, I'm gonna, yeah. I'm gonna leave this up, but yeah, this is just ranging. Am I kidding? Be nice to you, but it doesn't mean. Hey Eddie, what's up? NQ shorts. Eddie, right now NQ is going sideways. Yeah, just in my opinion, I could break short, but it feels like it's just generating some liquidity right now. Yeah, basically that's it. Hey, shout out from Cape Town. What's up? How's it going? How is Cape Town treating you? Is it windy or is it hot as heck? There's a kind of moment that happens every month. It's called Shark Week. There we go. Shark Week. Oh, good grief. It is. That's just like people get cocky with a few wins. It's okay. Apparently I have an ego OTT, so, you know, things happen. So I'm trying to diffuse the situation a little bit. Anyways. Hello. Wow. Never suffer. What's up? How was Greece today? Are you guys kind of here? I'm kind of sitting back watching the drama unfold because the price action's mess. So let's just watch this become more and more unhinged. This is where we're at today. I can do something about it. You guys are so mean. Pretty well. Okay. Hey Tyler, I don't know, but I'm all here for she know I'm talking to. What? Ashley's a guy. Huddle, if that's what you are asking. Ban them, just let them duke it out for a couple bucks. Ooh, are we placing bets? Is this what's happening now? No, we can't place bets, that's bad. Betting's bad. Betting, no. We can't do that. We can... I don't know. we can start a poll about who we think will win. That'll be funny. I'm joking, guys. I'm not... It's Friday. I shouldn't be... Okay, wait, let's stop. I shouldn't be... Be good? Be good. Okay, we're not encouraging any of this. I say. Well, eating popcorn. There we go. No! Oh, we should not be encouraging this, guys. I stepped away for like 30 minutes. Yes, and you came back to chaos. Welcome. You have a reason why you place the Fibonacci template where you place it. Hey, Kyle. Yeah, I do. Range. Top of the range, bottom of the range. Also, if 3 confluences are in that range, like I said, this one actually would have been my best setup so far. You can see it did reject off of it, but obviously the price is just not pricing, and that's fine. Also, in general, I have... Whoop whoop. Let's do a poll about our bias. We could do that. I'm kidding, it's all good. I just wanted to share, but... Yeah. No. Anyways. Sorry, Kyle. Sorry, I got distracted. I saw the whoop whoops and I got distracted. So, sweet and simply, I've also noticed with regards to the range, if it hasn't taken out the 50% of the range, it tends to eventually pull back into said 50% of the range. However, I am very much hands-off right now, for now, because this price action is going sideways. I mean, you can literally see it on ES. This is literally moving, okay, slowly down, but this is essentially sideways. This price action doesn't work for my strategy, personally, but I know some people actually love this price action. Who here loves this price action? How do you feel about the conditions right now? Where's your head at in terms of risk on off? You take any setups? Oh no, also no, I haven't taken anything. Like I said, this... So, sorry, I think I actually answered your question before I read it. This does not work for my setup at all, unfortunately. Yeah, sorry, Austin. Sorry, this is for what David just said. So it's unhinged. Okay, cool. I'm glad to see that we're getting more and more unhinged the further we go. Oh my gosh, I'm dying. It's hot here today, guys. It's fun how you do it. Don't speak. I don't understand what you're trying to say. Anyways. The bias, it's so conditions wise. Definitely have to take like small base hits in these conditions. Yes. Do I ever play house music? No, I don't play house music. This is a calm environment most days, believe it or not. Maybe the chat doesn't represent that today, but anyway, Anyways, oh gosh. I have a fucking break it down. No, Hogs, it's okay. It's not as bad as the other day. The other day it was the real feel was 41 degrees, which I know for like Australians is not that bad, but here it's bad, and it's humid. It's ridiculous. We same commute around by, so don't still make my okay, but it's like 15 degrees and there's about 10 inches of snow here. Please send some. Hey Meek, so I'm actually KZN side of the world. Yeah, I'm KZN side, and now we're going further down. Yeah, here's a little bit more confidence at Bob level. I still think it might want to take out this 50%. Let's see. Let's see where this goes. Hey, okay, wait. ES has now dropped. ES has now dropped. Do we actually have some confirmation? Do we have movement? We have movement. We have movement. We have movement. Yay, yay, yay. Kind of, yay. Let's see. I'll be right back. I feel like I missed more things. Let's okay, anyway, sorry. I have a question. Is Hado still here? I have a question. I thought of this now. Oh no, did he get blocked? Is Hado still here? Did he leave? Are we okay? I feel like. Anyways, moving on. Moving on. Hey, anonymous YouTuber did not take a trade. Was waiting for market conditions to look more, I guess, more like this, right? Actually get some movement going. Actually break those relative equal lows. Thank heavens. Now we could potentially start looking for some A+ setups. I prefer entry to be a little bit lower. Here we go. Is he still here? No, he's gone. Okay. Hang on, not sorry. Oh damn, I wanted to ask him out of curiosity. Remember he said that he had told it's Michael, right? Mr. ICT himself about his opinions. I was curious about how he had responded to him. Almost traded back 100% of its range. That's crazy. A little bit. David, I got checked out last week, I think. Okay. Don't block on free speech is crucial for capitalism. You want to make money. Oh, there we go. Possible continuation. Austin, let's see. That's the plan, right? Let's see how this goes. Whew. No. Wait, why is it not working? Watch the data highs and lows, they might be crazy. Laughing in Lucky Duck. Why are you laughing in Lucky Duck, Rip? Is it because it's going down to your level? OTT, why do you feel bad? Do I look at macros at all? Macros? No, not really. Why do you feel bad? Okie dokie, moving on. Moving on swiftly but surely. Swiftly and surely. 1, 2, 3. This now looks like in a range. If it would come back down here, that would be quite nice, but I don't know if it will. X50, X10. No. Austin, is that what you look at? I'm assuming, right? But finally we got a little bit of movement for a second. This is actually quite nice. I know I've been saying that, but this is a good setup if it retraces slightly. Let's see how it reacts here. Let's see what we got. Nope, don't do that. No, okay, just running away. Never mind then. Oh, if it goes back to that level, that would be quite nice, actually. This is an A+ setup. This is indeed an A+ setup for me. But is it gonna get there? Me. Okay, it's A+, it's A+, it's A+, it's A+, it's A+, it's A+, leave it alone. A+, it's broken below that level, which is good. That's a very big push, which is scary. So I've finished it. Hi, what am I doing? Hi, what's up? Yeah, a good portion of it started around there. Oh, that's a tad bit scary, but shoot. Anyways. Let's see if 545. Okay, it's hands off. It's hands off. What's happening? What's happening? Anyways, moving on. That last 5 minutes was like a 50-point candle. Okay, well, it was A+. I took it. We had confirmation. So regardless of what happens now, it is what it is. Okay. Rip, you are scaring me. You are scaring me right now. You are actually scaring me right now. OTT, let's see. This could be a loss, in which case, no. But it was A+. I've waited for this. I had my confirmation. So I leave it alone. Oh wait, I need to actually place... Shoot. Not 5. Let's make this 2. Did not reach there. Two. And then we'll leave a runner. If it gets there. Didn't reach the 50% level. 50% level is here. follow your rules. No, 100%. I follow my rules. Hey, Haro, what's up? You're back. Haro, I have a question for you. Yeah, I have a question for you, if you don't mind me asking. I don't know if you heard it earlier. Oh no, this might take me out. It's fine. It might take me out before it hits the fair value gap on the shelves on ES. Anyways. It's always fun trade. Anyways. Moving on. Hello, the question was... Oh my god, Perry! Black on Wall Street, you're long down. Then take me out. It is what it is. It is what it is. Okay, well, hit that shelf in the fair value gap on ES. Please respect it there. Please respect it there. Yeah, that's what I want to do. Come on. Oh no, it might get me. Yeah, okay. It's fine. But hopefully we'll not get fired. It did. Oh man. Oh well, it was an A+ setup. It happens. It's okay. That was a very... No! Stop! Please and thanks. Sad. Oh well. It's okay. It's okay. I waited for it. Sad. Oh well. Moving on to the next trade. Let's do this. Let me plop this into the Discord. What am I doing? I'm going to my trades. That's what I'm doing. Damn, okay, this is just going up, up, and away now. Wow, okay. Settle bit. Yep. Thanks, Rip. I appreciate it. And with the correct amount of contracts. Oh well. There's always another trade, even if I'd done the full range. Yeah. Okay. So it's fine. It was an A+ setup. I liked it. It's okay though. Put a rectangle on Thursday 6 p.m. Why? If miss in a top quick, you shouldn't enter without the word in upward direction. Are you talking about this one? No, now I'm confused. What do you mean, Ricky? So 15 minutes. Okay, you've officially confused me. Ricky, explain, please. Are you talking about this candle in specific on at 3:30? Oh, good. On to the next. You followed your setup. Good shot. Thank you. Sounds like a beast. Huh. Yeah, Ricky? Sorry, is it better now? Hope it's better now. Oh, hold on. The question was, right, you said that when ICT was in a chat on a different platform that you said to him directly your opinions. What was his response? When you entered, there was no 15-minute wick on that candle. On the specific candle, there was no wick? Okay. I'm saying he doesn't. Shop. Oh, okay, cool. I was quite curious about that if he did. It's okay, like I said, he plopped on and I fangirled over him and he went very quiet, so I think that was it. Okay, on to the next. Look how that 15-minute candle started on the 1 minute. Oh, okay, so you're saying... On the 1 minute, I thought you meant on the 15-minute chart. Got it. So this not having a wick. And this one not having a wick. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, I'm taking note of that. Thanks, Ricky. Let me add this to my notes. Oh, cheers, Rip. Enjoy. Now pretty much don't hit ICT. This doesn't go. You don't bother trading mentals. They're on fire right now. Lance, I have heard that they are just, lack of a better word, redonkulous, which is a good thing. I must take note of the wicks. Sorry. Grrr. I hear you, bud. I hear you. Sorry, I'm now kind of watching this. I'm checking this out. But like here it didn't make a wick. I guess here it did. So do you then make it... Sorry, Ricky, I'm trying to understand this if you don't mind. I'm kind of asking questions here. Imagine needed for the payment from the bank says most accounts have a top and bottom wick. Okay. It's amazing how one market could have so much scenarios. I just started going along to the highs above. Wish me luck. Ooh, okay, good luck, Nathaniel. Let me know how it works out. I'm hoping it's a whoop whoop and it's amazing. Okay. I hope it's great. Aww. Okay, well, it takes the pressure off that one win and then I've passed, so it's fine. It was a good setup. I took it. Can't be upset about that, so we're carrying on. Silver down 15%. Okay, never mind. Stop barking and then he carried. Anyone preparing for NFP next week Friday? Which is the question. It's like now there's no 30-minute work. I can't take buys. How many screens do you have open, Ricky? And like, do you have like different time frames open? Do you have... Just out of curiosity, I always get kind of curious about this specific topic. No, sorry, Lance, that's my Wi-Fi. I don't know why. It should be fine, but it's having moments. When people ask me if I trade, it's not his. Silver down from high of 17.25 below, gold down from 7.05 at the what? Sorry, no. Oh, okay, got it. 30-minute no wick. Interesting, see? David. Yeah, Tyler, you get used to it. Oh, do you know who's not here today? Mud Crab and Kara. I'm upset now. How sad. Oh well. David, that gave me a chuckle. Which is impressive. Made people laugh. But Kwon also... Okay, so I asked this earlier. I don't know if anyone actually answered or if anyone knows. Was there any asset that did not drop yesterday? Because it looks like everything just dropped yesterday. No, I see you, Hado. What's up? I have 3 screens, one for TradingView, one for Trading Platform, and one for YouTube. And one for work / dinner. What? That's so cool. Have a weekend. My bad, bro. That wasn't me. Yeah, true. Where's Matt? Yeah, ask him. No, I'm joking. I don't know if he trades on Fridays. I don't think he trades on Fridays, so they probably didn't join because of that. Where's all the money going? Back into securities, maybe value stocks. Tech doesn't have a ton already. Okay, so uranium didn't drop. Okay, so that's one thing that didn't drop because I know gold dropped, silver dropped. Did copper drop? Is DJ still here? Did copper drop? Sounds like Bitcoin dropped. Okay, we know NQ and ES dropped. I tell you to stop again. No, not just bench. Damn, you're being strict here. Anyways, moving on, carrying on. So again, was there anything that did not drop? About that high. Oh, gosh. I can't believe I waited so long. Had such a perfect. No, I can't be upset about it. Sorry, this is me just in my brain now. I can't be upset about taking an A+ setup, waiting for it, getting confirmation, and then it not working out. You know, stuff happens. It's part of trading. Not always going to work out how you want it to. Aw, I think you're cool too. Anyways. Okay, so copper dropped. Awesome. Oh, no ways. Bitcoin might drop below 80k. Google, I sense a little tension in the chat. A little bit. Friday is apparently a Friday tea day. Just saying. I'm kind of staying out of it. Anyways. You all sort out what you gotta sort out. I'm just gonna focus on the charts and ask my questions about what's happening on all the other charts. So, did anyone else trade anything else that didn't drop? Or again, so it sounds like uranium didn't drop yesterday. Did anything else not drop that you guys are aware of? I'm cautious. Anyways, moving on. Carrying on. Tra-la-la-la-la. We're just gonna proceed. Damn. So Perry was barking at the pool, guys. They have added so much chlorine that I can smell it in my office. They have added so much chlorine that I can smell it, and my windows are closed. Anyways. Hey Daniel, Bitcoin harmonic target 77-ish K. Ooh, okay, wait, so Daniel, you trade Bitcoin, right? Can you see a.k.a. USD? Tracer? I don't actually know if I can. I don't think so. I'll have to have a look. Go next to gold, you will see the brilliant silver trail it. Yeah, my army guy, you scare me. I'm just a kid who looks at candles. And no, OTT, do you play chess? Do you play chess? I don't know. Do you play chess, OTT? Focus my, you know, you're right. Focus back to this. I see there's more drama happening. Let's just continue looking at this. I called the goal high to live. I'll be right back. I think I left the grill of my oven on. That's not good. Moving on. Okay, Daniel, and how has the Bitcoin been? Has it been successful? Like I said, I haven't really looked at Bitcoin. A lot of people have different opinions about Bitcoin. I'm pretty neutral because I don't know enough about it. So, you know, each to their own. But I'm curious to hear about your perspective. I know some guy enjoys trading Bitcoin. He does more of the swing trading though. Do you do day trading or swing trading or investing? What's your thing? Never taken as well. Never thought I'd see the day. Hey, hogs! Whoop whoop! That's amazing though. Next to gold. Roller right now. Good time to get some. There we go. I'm just. Oh well. I want to say I'm upset about this, but I'm neutral about this. Like, obviously I'm not happy that it was a loss, but again, you see, I'm reminding myself about the fact that it was indeed an A+ setup. I waited for confirmation. It just in favor of me. Oh, dude. Okay, moving on. The equal heights game. I traded. I'm not a holder. Ooh, and how is it to do day trading with it? Sorry, I know a lot of people invest or do swing trading where they hold for longer periods of time. So I haven't actually met anyone that does day trading with it. So how is it good? Is it volatile? How is it? Nate was clapping me a little earlier, hit my daily max loss in just a couple trades. Yes. Well, I mean, Lance, it is kind of what it's doing now. I think maybe it was just completely overextended. Just hit my mug. I think it's completely overextended from yesterday. So it's now just collecting liquidity. I was said liquidity. So now let's see if New York brings anything. Let's not be in a rush to give away things, right? Hey Shani, what's up? Why am I so long on live? Not that long. Haven't even been on for 2 hours. What's that? Oh, I mean, not amazing. I'm so sorry. Sorry. Issues daily and weekly support and resistance. So that's it. So what's your strategy, Daniel? Sorry, I'm like asking all these questions. If you don't mind me asking. Australian dollar against the US dollar. Just like any other chart, they're all the same. I beg to differ, just because I've had a look at gold and I've obviously had a look at Nasdaq. I know just looking at two is not the same, but for me, gold looks and feels very different. Like, I'm very uncertain on the gold just because I'm so used to the Nasdaq. And then there's some people that say vice versa. They'll much rather trade gold than Nasdaq because they started with gold. Like, as similar as I feel the assets are, and they all move similar, they're a little bit different, right? How they react to certain things is a little bit different. Yeah, exactly. Well, it depends, Shani. So now I have stayed during the London sessions for a little bit longer. I've seen that it actually sometimes gets better the later you stay. How does David always say, well, it was me, I'm getting slapped and getting restraining order. Have I heard of harmonic trading? I have not. What's that? Because it's like your physical, so technically lost nothing but value. Oh, Hawks, I mean, that makes sense, right? But then when it goes back up, you're good to go. Correlation, it's USD dropping to mental spike. Okay, fractional, just in free time, cool. Gold now so volatile, it's chance to take easy profit. I've heard that. I have heard that gold is almost on a cheat code at the moment, where you can just basically buy at any dip, except for yesterday, by the sounds of things. But if you buy at any dip, you're almost guaranteed to get a win and get some profit. But yeah. Hey, Mr. Pix, what's up? I do, Shane. I do have Discord. You want to join? Yeah, guys, there is a Discord if you guys are keen. I'm so keen for you guys to join. The more the merrier. Yeah, sure. Let me get the Discord link. Here we go. Here we go. There is the link in the description as well. If you struggle to get this, sorry. But yeah, I do indeed have Discord. OTT, damn, okay. This got real dark real freaking quickly. Moving on. Moving on. Okay, carrying on, let's do this. Into live admin. This right now, he's gonna join, drop the link, there we go. It is bearish. Do you think tomorrow will be a buyer's market? I wonder. Sorry, for me today is still today. New York is during this day for me, so I was like, what do you mean? That's closed tomorrow, because tomorrow is Saturday for me. I'm assuming you mean New York session. This is just sideways right now. This is just sideways. I expected this to drop further down to... where's my little level? There we go. This 401 level here. These are some levels that marked out earlier. So I expected this to actually be a little bit bearish, but right now I feel like it could do anything. It's just grabbing liquidity at this current stage. So was this maybe a fake up before we do actually have a push to the bull side? Potentially. I'm hands off again. I was hands off, waited for my confirmation. Now I have to be hands off again, wait for more confirmation. Hey, there it was, a bullish engulfing. This actually would have been a good one, level to level. I really need to do more testing of this level to level thing. I just switched the live streams to the horizontal. I know, sorry, Shady. Did you catch yesterday's New York session? It was good. Oh no, Alec, I was here for the whole session of New York yesterday. Absolutely, it ran away without me. I had, well, there was plenty of entries, just, well, no. There was nowhere that it came back up for my strategy. Essentially, it just ran away without me. Any potential entries were not A+ setups, and it just, yeah, it felt overextended. I was waiting for it to come back, and it never did. It just kept going down, down, down. That one hot chick that... What's up, Eugene? What's up? 401k? What's... Shani? What you say? My, you deserve adult juice after New York session. I've been really good. I haven't actually had a lot of adult juice this year. Please watch Trading Paradise. Okay. What is Trading Paradise? Let me add it to the notes. Is it a YouTuber? Is it like a movie? What is it? I'm gonna have to check it out. Trading Paradise. Literally, guys, my notes are looking a little bit ridiculous, but it's fine. Last 3 days, you need to comment dominated months. Look at the 3 days. The link was said in the chat already. Yeah, I got it. I don't look at his functions. He's probably positive. Have I heard of Scott Carney? No, who's that? Maybe I had. That name sounds familiar. Who is it? He's actually amazing. So he's not gospel, there's no saying. Okay, you're only here because you're pretty. Yeah. Just another resource inside Maya. She's not. Anyways, good luck. What happened last time we had adult juice? Anyways, let's continue. Tyler, what's up? Making 100k day trading is way harder than making 100k with standard job. Nothing is easy to make money. Folks, but that's exactly it, right? Yeah, no. Anyways, moving on. It sounds really bad. Folks, that's what I was focusing on. When you said this, that's exactly it. I think people go into trading because they believe it does that. Anyways. Yeah, literally. My brain is not malfunctioning. One more time, because it's pretty valid. Anyways, what I was saying is people get into trading believing that it's easy. And it's not easy. They believe it's like a cheat code to get money quickly. That is not the case. It's hard work and effort. It's, like you said, it's like having a real job. No, what time it's about to be. No, what time is it about to be? Summertime? No, I'm joking. What time is it about to be? Apart from death for me, because it's so hot. What time is it about to be? Oh, lunchtime? Oh, right, right. And then the market's calmed down. That being said, I did have a successful trade yesterday during lunchtime. So that was quite cool. Said 1, 2. That at 2. This has none. Cool. It was an A+ setup. I just have to keep reminding myself about that. Just hope you give it a look. And I'm nothing to gain by telling you only on your side. No, 100% Daniel. Thank you. I appreciate it. London land. I'll be back to your channel. Let me know how you go. Oh, thanks, Daniel. Much appreciated. Thank you for joining. Oh my goodness. This is now a thing. I see this has now become a thing. Oh my greatness. Moving on. That's my... What? Who's... What?
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
I feel like I actually play this. Oh, on my Discord. Yes, that is my horse. But, like, I'm doing this again because.
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
But yeah, Shaney, that is my horse on Discord. That is indeed my horse. He is super cool. Did you see him with the glasses? Because he is indeed a cool kid. He is the coolest kid around. So I had to put sunglasses on him. No, 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 no. Yes, his eye's big though. Yes, he's a really big horse. Like, he's huge. He is taller than me. And clumsy as heck, which is terrifying for me because I'm waiting for the day he falls on top of me. But anyways. Oh, I wish you could see the... Oh, goodness. That's what turned my trading around, truly. State governance. Okay, Hado, that's interesting. I'll have to have a look into that. But... You guys are on something different today. You guys woke up and chose absolute violence today. I don't know why. But anyways, it's okay. Moving on. Let's see if we do indeed get anything. But so far, this London session has been disgusting. Maybe we start to get some movement now. But like you said, Hado, it is indeed lunchtime. So the probability isn't great. That being said, again, yesterday... It did move really nicely. Oh, this was looking so promising. I'm not upset for taking this trade. I'm upset that it didn't work out because it was actually a really nice trade. I really liked how it looked, but it is what it is, obviously. They can't all be winners. Oh, thanks, Shaney. You're amazing. Mad love to you. Shaney, how's your trading been going, by the way? My... can't think. No, you guys are making me malfunction a little bit. DJ, I thought this was a trading channel. You know what? So did I, but apparently now it's just chaos. Welcome to the chaos. Moving on. PPI later, so maybe slow down until... Oh. See, I didn't know there was PPI today. Damn. Thanks, Shaney. I appreciate it. That makes sense. That then makes sense. So, Shaney, do you think then New York's actually going to have some decent price action? Please say yes. Please say yes. Take government and training psychology first and general traders made state emotional reactions using structural rules to counter government biases and impulsive behaviors. Effective governments require separating process from outcome, focusing on discipline to mitigate fear and greed, and fostering a calm, objective mindset for consistent execution. Yeah, I mean, that's what I try my best to do. I don't jump into any trades. I wait for my setups. When it's a good setup, I take it. That's what I've been practicing for the last like 6 months. Anyway, we should get good price action. Yes! Okay, I hope so. I hope so. Let's hope it goes in my direction. So, Shani, out of curiosity, what do you think it's going to be, bull or bear, during the New York session? Discipline is knowing when to stop. Not 100%, but that's why you have rules, right? At the end of the day, I think rules are what's most important. So, for example, I have a rule of 3 losses, done. Like, lock yourself out. And that's it. You had 3 losses, lock yourself out. That's about it. And obviously don't be greedy. So if you had a win and the markets aren't looking amazing or favorable, end on a green day. Don't go and take more when you could now give back the profits that you've just made, right? DJ, no. What's up with the coaching? You left that? What? The coaching I left? What do you mean? You want Monday's low? But markets, yes, and do whatever. True! That's good too. There's rules and emotional regulation as well. And what's your routine before coming to the chart? No, I just have my rules. Literally, like I go for a walk. So I guess you could say I go touch grass, right? I go outside, I go spend some time away from the charts, I have my focus elsewhere. And then I come back. So like before the New York session, I go and I ride my horses and then I come back for the New York session. So you go touch grass, you think about some other things, you separate yourself a little bit so that when you come back, you are fresh and ready and looking with fresh eyes, if that makes sense. The gym thing. Oh, the coaching thing. Yeah, people down the side are lazy. That's all I'm gonna say. It's much bigger than that because go into upper conditioning. How do I have horses? Yes, I have horses, yeah. I do indeed. I have horses. Well, a horse. Yes. Oh, good grief. Hope it's got air conditioning. Good grief, yeah. So I do. I've had horses my whole life. So my parents were horse riders. So yeah, I've had horses my whole life. I started riding when I was 3 years old. I wasn't allowed to start riding horses earlier because I was too little or whatever. But yeah, I started riding when I was 3 years old. So I've been doing it for quite a while. And unfortunately, yeah, I'm stuck with it's a little bit like this trading now. I'm hooked. I can't stop. Not like in a bad way, not like in a gambling way. It's just I think learning something new every day and always having a bit of a challenge is amazing. Like, believe it or not, I actually enjoy having control, and when it comes to horses in the markets, you do not have control, so it's a good challenge and it takes me a little bit out of my comfort zone. So I thoroughly enjoy it. What's his name is Finn. So his full name is Violin. He was a racehorse. They have weird names, but so I call him Finn. He is absolutely adorable and he is so cuddly. Yeah, I love that horse so much. He is so cute. It's from a song. Oh, really, Daniel? That's amazing. Daniel, where are you from? Okay, instant. I think I have. Oh yeah, Shani, yeah. So I live right by the coast, so I walk on the beach every day. Go to the beach every morning. So that's my spoiled brat dog over here gets a morning walk every day. That's his thing. Still trading? That's a 9 to 5. What's up, Geronimo? Yeah. What is daily bias, short or long NQ? For me, daily bias is still bearish. Right now, it's just sideways. But yeah, I agree with Shay. I think my daily bias is definitely still bearish. There's still more sell-side liquidity that I want to see being taken, but it's just what I suspect, you know. Obviously, I could be wrong. I'm running a horse virtual, but because of what did I just read shady? Oh my gosh. No, it doesn't. I did, Solly, I did. But I'm not upset about it, Solly, because I waited, it broke the lows, it was an A+ setup, I had my 3 confluences, it was a good trade, it just didn't work out. So a bit of a bummer, but it's fine. It's fine. So now I need like $600 to pass. So it's okay, it might not be a Friday special, but it's okay. It would have been nice, it would have been cool to be funded, but it's okay. On to the next, right? On to the next. Daily beach walks explains that, and yeah, and being half Portuguese. Just saying, half Portuguese does help. Olive skin, yes. It's called Nelson Bay. Oh, that's cool. On the coast. Yeah, be right back. Okay, cheers. Good. Oh, thank you, Cody. I appreciate that. Yeah, like I said, it was a good trade. It just didn't work out, and things happen. I'm not upset about it. Do you know what's bugging me is that the sub count is at 498, and that we just need 2 more for it to be at an even 500. Sorry, that's a little bit like the OCD coming into play. So close, yet so far. Okay, sorry. That was my brain having a moment. Hey, Turtle Nice, what's up? Do whatever it wants. Not true. Actually, use option theory would make it easier to show you. Okay, how do? Do I watch ICT core content? Going in the right direction. Oh, thank you. The could have been a good entry. No, you're right. You're right. It could have been. I'm just watching these bob to bob levels go level to level, and that's kind of making me sad because I could have had. Where's market open? Here. 1. Oof, this may have just missed. 2, 3, 4. This looks like it's going back up to bob level. Hey, Antique. No, I trade both London and New York session. What's up? How you doing? Sorry for a repeat question. Why was the setup you had earlier an A+ setup? 3 confluences. Yes, tube. Okay, no problem. Let me show you. So, a few things. Should have forgot about that. No, it's fine. A few things. I did wait for confirmation that it broke below, which it did. So I was like, awesome. So we finally had a break. I guess it was actually just a bit of a fake out, but it's fine. So I use range to range. So I did top of this range, bottom of this range. As you can see, there's the trade. 50% is the entry. So the 3 confluences were fair value gap, my Bob level. Sorry, Bob is one of the fellow community members. These levels work quite well, but the Bob level was another confluence. And my shelves, there's specific description for shelves. I call them shelves, but there was a lot of resistance in the zone. And on the higher time frame, this was actually also a little bit of an order block. So I had my 3 confluences, it just didn't work out. Oh, and it took liquidity here. So it would take a little bit of liquidity and then continue to the sell side. But it didn't work, and it's fine. What's my real name? My real name is Maya. Anyways, moving on. Hey, Fulcus, what's up? No, Fulcus, I'm so sorry. Don't worry, I've also had a loss today, Fulcus. Yeah, this loss here, it was an A+ setup, it just didn't work out, and things happen. So I'm also down like $200 today. which is frustrating because I was $400 away from passing my eval. So if this was a win, I would have passed my eval, but it's fine. I'm back. Hey, Tyler, welcome back. Didn't quite win the random condition with yesterday, Marcus. Blah, 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 blah. Moves will come back and forth. Yep. Crikey, mate. What's up? No one's pegging anyone. That's why I said it's a risk appetite there. Yeah, no, 100%. Key tip, zoom out also like 15 minutes and 1 hour. I did. That was the thing. It was also there on the 15-minute, well, my shelf levels, if you will, were there. Did I? I didn't know. Shoot, I'm trying to remember if I zoomed out. I've been really good at remembering to zoom out and check the higher time frames. Well, I've been trying to be better because I know that I used to get a little bit fixated on just the 1 minute, and obviously those aren't always the best confirmations. Oh, shoot, did I zoom out? Oh, maybe that was my problem. Thanks, Shani. That actually, I think I may have forgotten that. No. Well, I don't have a boyfriend. Okay, carrying on. Everyone's having a loss today, making my stomach turn. It's okay. These days happen. It is Friday. I know a lot of people don't like trading Fridays for that specific reason. And this is just choppy check at this bob level to bob level. Are you freaking kidding me? Anyways, moving on. This is frustrating, but thanks for your compassion. It helps a lot to share our trading experiences, psychology and emotionally. Exactly, Focus. So what I even have is on the Discord, I have an accountability one. Like if you didn't stick with your rules and you just like jumped into a trade and just let the emotions take over, to just kind of hold yourself accountable. It's not there for people to judge or anything. It's more for me because I know that I sometimes do that. After, because that was a nice V-shaped inverse fair value gap and breaker retest. Ow! Sugar honey iced tea. Ow! For a second again, but there's so much going on. Gave it as the gay best friend. sorry, that was not funny. And sun for okay, and sun for the highest unfilled fair value gap. Oh, thanks, Ty. Yeah, guys, don't forget to press that like button. Let's grow this amazing community. Like I said, there is a Discord in the description below. If you want me to send the link again, I can. Yeah, you guys are just the best community ever. But Shani, this is interesting. Wait. Shani, remind me. What do you trade? Yeah. Shane, if you don't mind me asking, I'm targeting London High, which is good because we want that to go lower for New York. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, so London High I think is going to be taken. Again though, Shani, what do you trade? I also would have thought that this wanted to go further down. There was this fair value gap, but it's fine. It's fine. It is what it is. Things happen. So you trade ICT. Like which model did you which model do you look at? Like the 2022 or like all of it, which is a lot, but yeah. Hey, Ernest, how can I start trading? I mean, there's a few things you can do, but I guess first things first is to find a strategy that makes sense to you. Laserboy Toxic, what up? Where am I trading from? I'm trading from South Africa. It sounds like 2022 was like the main one. There's a lot of people that trade 2022. Like, is there a reason that 2022 was better? Maybe that's a weird question. Maybe it's a dumb question. Sorry, just out of curiosity. That the market gives me, but mainly 2022 model. Okay, that's fair. That's fair. Just this is how I feel right now. Anyways, moving on.
That's what she said.
I'm coming to South Africa, but just to Just to race? Are you a race car driver? What race? Now I'm curious. What race and where? How much does your strategy make per trade? Laserboy Toxic, around $400? Depends. I mean, the largest one I had was $610. Not yet, Roshan. I was $400 away from passing my eval. And then I had a little loss here, so I'm $600 away from passing my eval. But it's fine. It's fine. We've got this. We've got this. We've got this. Mine's a goat randomly screaming. I hear that. Shani, you've piqued my curiosity. What type of racing do you do? And what cars? And which circuit are you going to? Are you going to the Kailami circuit, or where are you going? I have a friend like this ATV, so I want to race. What? Wait. Ah, so not even like competitive. Damn, you got me like all excited for no reason. How many evals? Just one. Just one eval currently. Oh, thanks for the subs, guys. I'm trying to get into F1 racing. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I must say, I'm pretty badass at go-karting myself. It's, yeah, so much fun. No, I'm trying. It's expensive though. I know that for a fact. It's not as expensive as horses, but getting into race car driving is quite expensive. Sorry. We're going all over the place again. Go with the trend. Right now, the trend is sideways. So, yeah. What prop firm do I have? I'm currently using Top One Futures. Just a heads up, guys. Top One Futures does have a 40% discount. Violin currently has a 89% discount. So if you guys want to use my code, it's TeachMaya, all caps. More than welcome to. Then it gets you that awesome discount. Like I said, 40% off of Top One and 89. I know it says 84 there. Sorry, I have to actually update that. It's 89% discount, and you can use my code TeachMaya, all caps. Super cool if you guys want to check it out. Links are also in the description of these videos. You race car. I wish. I always wanted to get into race car driving. Seriously, I really wanted to get into it, but I already have a very expensive freaking sport, which is horse riding. But if I wasn't into horses, I would probably be racing cars. Like I said, go-kart racing, love it, love it, love it. But yeah. Roshan, oh my gosh, what happened? How did you, what? Recently you blew 5k evil stats? What? Hey Nomad, what's up? Nomad Philosopher. You don't have Traderfy available. I do. I'm trying to become affiliated with them. So actually, now that I have some people here, if you guys wouldn't mind, have I had issues getting payouts? Well, I haven't had a payout yet, so I can't answer that question. I'm sorry. But don't worry, I've now mastered the art of blowing accounts. Can you show a breakdown of your last 3 trades? I can, if you want. I'm gonna try a message with Discord people thanking me for helping them pass, and I want to respect charity, so I'm gonna charge people I've paid over 10 in education. Okay. Roshan, back-to-back losses. I'm sorry, but that's just a losing streak, right? That happens. I had that as well, beginning of Jan. It sucks. It really, really sucks, but it happens. But I've got to be outside of US, either Australia or South Africa. Really? Why? Why is that? Viable. I've just started with props. Oh, Daniel, that makes sense. Listen, I personally have had no issues with Top One. I've had no issues with Top One at all. I've heard Violin has been around for ages. You can maybe check the reviews, but Violin I think is pretty reliable as well. I know Top One has a... Again, like I said, I've had no issues with them at all, and they're really quick. Like, if I send them an email, they get back to me, like, within an hour. Like, they're really, really quick. And what platform am I using to trade? I'm on Tradeovate using TradingView currently. What is the temperature there? Hot as hell. No, I'm joking. I think it's like 27 degrees Celsius. Real feel 30 or something. Is it snowing? No, it's summer here. I'm in South Africa, guys. My longest losing streak was 6 days. Oh my gosh. And how many trades over those 6 days, Shani? Well, you're pretty, they won't give you problems. No, I think they will, like, yeah, yeah. So out of, sorry. Give me a second, If you guys don't mind, I'm kind of curious if you guys wouldn't mind. Sorry, I know this is a bit of a, like a loaded question, but yeah. I know it's a bit of a loaded question, but I'm kind of curious, sorry. Curious about what you guys think. Yes or no. And why? No, maybe not why, but yeah. There we go. Sorry. Okay, let's do this. I took only one and size it down. Oh, like one every day? Is that what you're saying? I used to think bulls were stupid to chase red flags. Oh gosh, sorry, that's hilarious. But I got it back to back in 3 days after that losing streak. It's like when I now started. Damn. Now I know when to trade and when not to. No, that's valid. I think the problem was I was trading in bad price action as well, beginning of Jan. Like nothing I did would have worked, and then I guess I kind of did what I did here. Watch, this is probably going to be the low of the freaking London session. I've done this a few times where I've traded at the low. Like I said, has happened a few times. It sucks. It is what it is. You learn from it, right? It's never a loss, it's always a lesson. I remind myself about that. No one can trade unless they know. I'm an SA champ of MMA. I fought for SA. Oh, no ways, Tyler, that's so cool. So I did kickboxing as well. Not professionally though. I feel too bad if I ever hit people, but I did kickboxing as like a sport, and well, I say a sport just for fitness and strength and to increase like bone density, especially as a girl. It's good to keep that going. But yeah, I thought it was awesome. Lucid trading my fund. What about, oh, so Vex liquidity, I'm on it. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm on it. Okay. It might not happen now, but give me a few months. Okay. But MMA sounds quite fun. I've been curious about it. Aw, you guys are so sweet. Thank you. Have I been trading gold? I have not been trading gold. Sorry. Yeah, one trade every day. Damn. Okay. Henry, I thank you. Yep. Time and price. You guys are funny. Aw, you're so sweet. Thank you. I appreciate that. Sorry, I have hiccups. It's about to take out the London high. Again, I apologize for the hiccups. Okay, we're good. Let's see if this takes out the London high. That would be awesome sauce. But yeah, listen. I do enjoy all those things. Speaking of, I'll message. Babe, it's happening. I know this was supposed to happen ages ago. I did try, but it didn't happen. The shark cage diving is gonna happen now in Feb. The sharks are back. Feb is no longer like tourist season, so hopefully it'll be able to be a little bit more like just me and some friends. There won't be like a bunch of strangers, but I will go shark cage diving. Ooh, I made a funny noise with my hands. Anyways, I'll go shark cage diving hopefully soon. It may sound terrible if he wants to get kicked to the head. I'm convinced Maya some people must not have been traded the heck because you're pretty. Yeah. It's okay. As long as they're learning something along the way, then I feel like it's a win. That second pass would be a great place to short. Oh, what, once it takes out London High? It's called self-defense. There we go. Shark cage diving is 6. Yeah, 90%. Terrifying. Because it's... I'm dumb, so I'll probably do it. The guy was like, you don't even have to be in the cage, you can just snorkel with the sharks. Like I said, I'm dumb, so I'll probably end up doing that. I'll be terrified, don't get me wrong. Terrified. Especially with all the Australia shark attacks that happened recently. But anyways, remember that I said sell from the first time the company was hard? Yeah. There's an invention called a pew pew for self-defense. No, but no, don't, no. That's the people holding orders. Oh, interesting, okay. He's trying to feed you to the sharks. Is it because I'm just so nami? Sorry, that was... Ooh, cringe. That was very cringe. Yeah, see, I lost a subscriber for that one. Valid. Very valid. Oh my god. Gosh. Oh, damn. I'm so sorry. I'm so... Oh, see, I've now upset more people for saying it. Okay, moving on. Moving on. Okay. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Apparently this is... You look at Dow also. Not so much. I have ES open on this side. Because ES and NQ work really well together. You can see here. So I do have gold. I have the NQ. The DAX is delayed with mine. So to look at the DAX, there's no point. But I have, yeah, my gold. I don't have my silver up. I should probably add my silver as well. I say that as if I trade it. I don't actually trade that, but... Yeah, oh, here's the Dow. I lie. Here's my Dow Jones. And it's the E-mini as well. I should maybe have a look at it. Does the Dow work well? Sorry, I know you guys probably weren't able to see that. It was, but that was awesome. It's not right. Oh, gosh. There we go. Okay, I'm so sorry. Yes, I do have it. I do have it. Does the DAX work with NQ quite well, Janie? Or not so much? Sorry, let me end this here. Quick sticks. I know, it's what I do. Sorry, I'm quickly doing 5 things. I'm doing 5 things at once. I know that's probably a bad idea, but it's what I do. And last thing. Hey, High Life, don't worry, I'm gonna go now. I'm going now. Promise. Huh, okay. Done. So the wicks are the best place to short, Joe. So I can't say for that. Not sure how to use it. Okay, cool, makes sense, makes sense. Irish, no, I was actually thinking bears today, to be honest, but yeah, let's see. Oh, sorry. Well, I will be back because I do indeed have to actually... The price action sucks right now, for now. I do have to go touch grass, go see my horses. But, Shani, I'll be back for New York if you want to hop in for New York, or are you streaming? I know you also. But yeah, I will be here for the New York Open. Trade like a pro, we don't... No, exactly. Don't diddle in the middle, right? When it's choppy, just stay out. No trade chop chop. Okay. Okay, no, I'm going because I'm getting weirder and weirder because price action's slow, so my brain's going overtime. Okay. I love you guys madly. I will be back for the New York session. Let's hope there's some decent price action. Okay, we've got this. But I love you guys madly. Thank you for joining. Always appreciate the support. Don't forget to press that like button and you guys can use my affiliate code for discounts. I love you guys madly. See you New York Open.